This Math SAT Level 1 Test 3 video from mathondvd.com and mathstutor.biz is one of the 150 video tutorials in this 3-test set. The set also has 3 DVDs, one DVD for each test, and each DVD lasts almost 2 hours. Also included are the tests themselves. There are 3 tests, each with 50 questions. It's hoped that the student will work through these first before they watch the DVD. Full details about this set and other maths DVDs can be obtained from mathondvd.com or mathstutor.biz. Math SATs Level 1, question 31. The tangent to a circle with radius 5 and centre 0, -1 at this point has which of these equations? So we don't have to draw a diagram, but if it doesn't take too long, it could help us get our head round it. So the centre of the circle is at 0, -1, so we're talking about the centre being there. And it's got to have a radius of 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's got to go through there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's got to go through there. So it's going to go something of this fashion. That'll do, just to get our head round what the question looks like. We're looking at the point 4, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 is there. And we're looking at the tangent at that point. So we are trying to find the equation of that tangent and hopefully spotting it's one of those. So the first thing I need to know is the slope. Now the slope, or the gradient as I call it, let's see how we're going to do that. Let's join the centre of the circle up to that point, because I think I can work out the gradient of that line much easier. So let's have a look at that. The gradient of that line is that over that, which is 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So the gradient of that line, or slope, is 3 over 4. So let's put some letters in. Let's call that O and let's call that P. So the gradient of this line, which is what I'm really after, or the slope, sorry, the gradient of the tangent that I want has got to be minus 4 over 3, because when I multiply the slope of that by the slope of that, it should come to -1. So we now know the gradient of this. If we appreciate this equation as being the equation of any straight line, and the tangent being a straight line, we now sussed out part of the answer. So straight away I can rule that one out and that one out. It's one of them 3. So I need to find out this piece of information here, and that is the value of C where it cuts through the y-axis. This is where it cuts through the y-axis, or the y-intercept. So I can eliminate that because I can appreciate that it's a positive value. So I've eliminated that one now. But which of these two is it? Is that there 10, or is it 7 1/3? Well, is my diagram accurate enough for me to decide? Well, if it isn't, if we know a point that passes through, in other words the x and y value, we can substitute it in there and work out the value of C. Well, yes, we do. We know it passes through there because that is the value of that point there. So let's substitute x is 4, y is 2 into there. So y is 2, x is 4, so that would be 4 4s is 16 over 3 plus C. So that plus that, because I'm going to add 16 over 3 to both sides, that is the value of C. That's 5 1/3, so that's 7 1/3, which is in fact 22 over 3. So I'm really happy because I've worked that value out. I think I might have been tempted to say that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a third rather than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't know. Anyway, I'm more than satisfied that the answer 31 is C. For all the information on the available math DVDs, please visit my website www.mathondvd.com.